guys, I have Iori here from Vivid Racing. We are in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona on a wonderful day, and I have brought along my 95 RX7 for us to check out and talk about for a little bit.
What do you have done to it?
A lot. So I just imported this several months ago through Top Rank, JDM vehicle importers. And so they had found like basically a premium example with tons of cool mods that I was already obsessing over, like the Aria Memia wide body kit, the Volk racing wheels, which of course we're a massive proponent of, and a whole bunch of other things. But it was a really good starting point for me to kind of take what I had already dreamed of and build on top of it.
So it already came with Aria Memia kit, right?
Yes.
And what have you
so since getting it, we've done like fuel pump, injectors, intakes, full titanium Tomei exhaust. We did Recaros, Brom harnesses. We did the Cybon spoiler, mostly for the fact that it was readily available, but it is awesome quality. Actually turned out really, very nice.
I like that it matches with the hood and other canards and stuff like that. It looks so pretty.
It is rad.
Yeah.
I really like it. I love the craft square mirrors on this thing too.
It is super unique.
Yes. Yeah. I was really excited about those. But it's actually really cool. Like some of the little stuff, like little details, like if you look up under like the vents and things like that, you can see like the dual intakes like just pushed up against there and whatnot.
Yeah. Should we pop the hood?
We can. It's not that impressive, but you have to get the other little arrow catch. I don't have a hood prop though, so this might be a little bit.
Oh.
So because it doesn't fit over the shroud that we put in.
Is it custom?
Yes. So I actually made this little guy and the intakes and stuff like that we had made at Vivid.
This is actually really clean.
So it's getting there. It's kind of getting to the point where I want it before eventually doing single turbo. So goal is single turbo at some point in time, but I'd like to drive it for like a little while before so I can actually get all the fun bugs out before doing all that. But I had the whole front end PPF'd and everything too.
Oh really?
So I can actually drive it without stressing out.
Can you show me the interior real quick?
Absolutely. You can rip that door open.
Okay. FD doors are pretty heavy. Ooh, I like the custom door cards. Did you make that as well?
So I had to make the door cards to fit the Recaros. So we mounted their pole position classics, and so they're the ABE version, so they're a little bit wider, which I didn't really need because I'm small, but it's just comfy for daily driving. It turned out really good though. I think it actually like fits the car and suits it really well.
I think so. I like that purple theme.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I've just noticed the authentic Defi gauges.
Yes, the Defi gauges are awesome.
Wow,
I love that stuff.
Oh my goodness. I love how thick the rear fenders are. I love it.
I need a rear diffuser though. This exhaust sticks out so freaking far. It sounds ridiculous too, so it is a lot of fun.
All right, thank you Adam for showing your FD, and let's hear this thing.
Of course, let's fire it up.